You've heard chia seeds are a superfood, but did you know that eating them the wrong way can actually harm your health? In this video, we'll uncover 7 common mistakes people make with chia seeds and how to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Eating chia seeds dry. Sounds harmless? Not really. When dry chia seeds hit your stomach, they absorb water and expand. This can lead to bloating, discomfort, or even choking if not swallowed properly. Mistake number 2. Skipping the soak. Soaking chia seeds not only helps with digestion, but also activates the nutrients and reduces the risk of digestive issues. Let them sit in water or milk for at least 15 minutes. Number 3. Overloading on chia. 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Going overboard can lead to bloating, gas, and fiber overload. Remember, more doesn't mean better. Mistake number 4. Low water intake. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. If you don't hydrate properly, they'll draw moisture from your body, causing constipation. Mistake 5. Combining chia with low-fiber or heavy-fat foods. This can slow digestion and cancel out the benefits. For best results, mix chia with fruits, oats, or smoothies. Number 6. Ignoring allergies. Though rare, chia seeds can cause allergic reactions in some people, like rashes, itching, or even trouble breathing. Start small and observe. And finally, mistake number 7. Chia seeds can interact with blood pressure or blood sugar meds. If you're on medication, consult your doctor before adding chia to your diet. Chia seeds are packed with benefits, but only when used the right way. Avoid these mistakes to make the most of this superfood. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.